Hey guys, it's Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of rig ready Rams. We buy Ram and we rig ready approved. Right behind me here we have a Ram 3500 dually. I'm going to show you guys how to put the fifth wheel prep kit in. So that is the gooseneck ball, because like myself, I wasn't aware how to do this until, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to show you guys how. Alright, so what you'll do is obviously we'll open up the tailgate, get your Ram Curt system here. So this gooseneck kit is for the Ram trucks. So they're sized properly for our shackles and our gooseneck ball. So if you open it up, you do get these nice fine shackles here, and you do get the ball. My hands are full of grease because I've done this 10 times to do this video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this one, and let's hope I do it well. Alright, so you'll jump in the truck, you'll bring your kit over here. So there's caps on all these guys, so you'll have to twist this and it opens up. So we got our shackles for 4 points. Now we are doing the gooseneck kit, guys, so if you do have your fifth wheel hitch, the same system. They open it up, they drop in just like this, and there's these little cotter pins you'll pop in. All 4 corners, you're good to go. And while we're at this too, I'll mention we have the 4 flat and 7 pin wiring right there for all your trailer needs. So we'll open up all the kits, guys. All right, super simple, super easy. You'll grab these shackles, pull the pin. So these pins only lock in one way. So you come in, it twists. Now if you notice, you can't put the pin all the way through, it has to drop down. That's how you know it's locked in place. It's secure to the truck's frame, nothing to worry about. So we'll do both of those, guys, which of course I'm sure you all know, but in case you're a new truck buyer, think that you aren't aware, same system, guys. It's nice to know because personally myself, I've always used fifth wheels and bumper pulls. I'm new to this here, so I thought this was a good time to show you as I learned myself. So we'll grab this ball. Of course, this one we use daily. It's why it's full of grease already. So you'll grab it, you'll lift it up here. The balls go down, you drop it in. Now it's not fully secure yet. There is this pin here. You got to make sure that it's flat. From there, it's all secure, and you're good to go. And then if you want to take it out, same thing, guys. Twist it, pull it up, comes right out. Put it all back away. Same thing. Take the pins out, and you're good to go. So guys, hope you enjoyed this little quick demonstration. Give us a shout for more information. If you need help, come down to our service department. They'll help you out. 780-942-3629. I didn't think about this one now. My hands are full of grease. All right, there. And when you're a good boy, the tooth fairy will drop $5 into your back seat of your truck. Do you have an issue?